Planting over a septic drain field might seem like a good idea to use that space, but you gotta be super careful about what you put there to avoid wrecking your system. So, here's the deal. You should only go for shallow-rooted plants or grass when planting over a septic drain field. Deep roots from big trees or shrubs can mess up the pipes underground, causing leaks or clogs that are a nightmare to fix. Stick to stuff that won't dig too deep, like ornamental grasses, clover, or low-growing ground covers. Also, avoid heavy foot traffic or parking vehicles on the drain field because that compacts the soil and can damage the pipes. Watering is cool, but don't overdo it since too much moisture can overload the system. Keep fertilizers and chemicals away because they can harm the natural bacteria that help break down waste. If you want to plant flowers, go with pots or raised beds away from the drain area. Checking with a septic pro before making big changes is always smart to keep things running smooth. One of the biggest mistakes people make is planting trees or shrubs with deep roots right on top of the septic drain field, which can crack pipes and cause leaks. Fix this by choosing only shallow-rooted plants. Another common issue is compacting the soil by driving or parking on the drain field. The clear fix is to keep it as a no-traffic zone to protect the pipes and soil structure. Lastly, overwatering the area or using harsh chemicals can throw off the septic system's balance. Avoid this by watering moderately and steering clear of fertilizers or pesticides near the drain field. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching. It also helps contractors get work by connecting them with people who really need their services, making the whole process way easier for everyone involved.